Good evening, folks. Welcome to Restaurant. Are you ready to order?
Yes, thank you. We'll start with the appetizers. We'll have the garlic bread and the shrimp cocktail, please.
Excellent choice. And for your main courses?
I'll have the grilled salmon with roasted vegetables, please.
And I'll have the ribeye steak, medium rare, with mashed potatoes on the side.
Got it. And would you like any drinks to accompany your meal?
I'll have a glass of the house red wine, please.
And I'll have a sparkling water with lemon.
Perfect. I'll get that started for you right away. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Actually, could we get some extra napkins and another set of utensils, please?
Of course, I'll bring those over shortly. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. So have you decided what you want for dessert?
I'm torn between the cheesecake and the chocolate lava cake. What do you think?
Both sound delicious, but I think I'm leaning towards the chocolate lava cake. How about we share one of each?
Sounds like a plan.
Hit like and subscribe for more helpful content.